today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable form in Google Docs. Let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible. The first thing you need to do is open your Google Docs. This might be your first time, or maybe you're a seasoned Google Docs user. Either way, this document is about to transform into a functional form that meets your specific needs. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Insert tab. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options. From this menu, we're going to select Table. This is an essential step because creating a table sets up the foundational structure of your form. When you click on Table, you'll notice you have the flexibility to arrange it however you like. Think of this table as the framework for your form, so consider carefully how many rows and columns will be necessary to accommodate the questions, prompts, or data entries you plan to include. With your table in place, it's time to start filling in those details. Begin by thinking over the questions or prompts for which you'll need responses and type them into each cell within your table. The simplicity or complexity of your questions can vary greatly depending on your specific needs. You may have basic details like names or emails, or you might include more targeted inquiries depending on your particular objectives. Now here's a nifty trick to enhance the appearance of your form. Click anywhere on your table to activate it. Then navigate to the Format menu located at the top of the screen. Under Format, select Table and proceed to Table Options. On the right side of your screen, you'll see where you can adjust colors. Change the color of the table to white. This subtle adjustment will render the borders invisible, presenting your form with a clean and professional appearance. You're almost there. Next, you'll want to highlight the bottom line of each row in your table where your respondents will enter their information. Head back to the top of the screen and look for the border color option. Change this to black. This small but effective adjustment will create a neat, visible line underneath each question. It's a simple way to guide respondents on where to write their answers. If at any point you find yourself needing to add more questions or expand your form, you can easily repeat the process. Insert an additional table below your current one and customize it as necessary to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your document. By following these steps, you've effectively transformed a simple Google Doc into a functional and neat, fillable form. I hope you found this tutorial insightful and that it has motivated you to create forms that precisely meet your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.